Do you want to install HBO Max on Firestick? Turn on TV and make sure your Firestick is properly connected. Use your Firestick remote to navigate through the home screen options. Move to the Find option available on the top menu of your screen. Select the search feature to look for the app you want to install. Now use the on-screen keyboard to type HBO Max carefully. Once results appear, select the HBO Max app from the list. This will open the app page with download and details options. Highlight the download button and press select on your remote. Wait while the app downloads and installs on your Firestick device. You will see a progress bar showing installation status. Once installed, you will get an option to open the app. Select Open to launch the HBO Max app on your TV. The app will load and show the sign-in screen. Choose the sign-in option to connect your account. You will now see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. This code is required to link your account to the app. Take your mobile phone and open a web browser. Go to the activation website shown on your TV screen. Enter the code exactly as it appears on your television. Now sign in to your HBO Max account on your phone. After signing in, your TV will automatically refresh. The HBO Max home screen will now appear on your TV. You can start browsing movies and shows immediately. Use your remote to select any content you want to watch. Press play to start streaming your favorite content. You can control playback using your remote buttons. Adjust volume, pause, or resume as needed. Enjoy high-quality streaming directly on your TV. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth playback. And that's how you install and use HBO Max on Firestick easily.